Communication networks are more distributed and complex than ever before. As a result, new test solutions must become more powerful, portable, rugged, and precise. Keysight has responded and led the industry with FieldFox RF analyzers perfect for routine maintenance, in-depth troubleshooting, and anything in between. FieldFox is the industry's most integrated handheld analyzer because it's configurable as a cable and antenna tester, spectrum analyzer, vector network analyzer, vector voltmeter, built-in power meter, interference analyzer, real-time spectrum analyzer, and more. You can upgrade capabilities via software with no calibration required. With FieldFox, compact and lightweight at 7.1 pounds or 3.2 kilograms, you can forget about transporting benchtop equipment to the field or lugging multiple instruments. Tough enough to meet mil specs, FieldFox has no fans or vents. The fully sealed instrument meets IP53 requirements for protection against dust and moisture. You can count on accurate measurements from -10 to +55 degrees Celsius. Keysight is the first to deliver benchtop accuracy up to 50 gigahertz in a portable package. Now with real-time spectrum analysis, FieldFox captures every signal, measures without gaps, and exposes even small signals once masked by stronger signals. With FieldFox, carry precision with you up to 50 gigahertz. Learn more by visiting us online at www.keysight.com/find/FieldFox.